All right, good morning. It's the morning of Saturday, blizzard day. Saint has his coat on right, and we are getting ready to go out, to go potty. As you can see, snow is up against the door, and so it might take us a while to get down the steps without falling. My goodness. Whoa. Okay, this is a little deeper than I thought. You can see how deep it is as I step down on each step. And Saint's like, what the heck? All right. Okay. All right, wait for me, Saint. Go, 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 go. This is deep. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I don't think we're going to make it down there, Saint. Go. Go to the bathroom. Go to the bathroom. Go on. Good boy. Go. 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 Saint. Come on now. Go. Come on now. Go. Saint. Go. 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 Good boy. Go to the bathroom. Go. Okay. Let's try this without.